In this lesson, we will discuss the scientific method and the steps involved in it. So what is the scientific method? You might ask yourself. The scientific method can be defined as a process that most scientists follow in one way or another in order to help them explain how the world around us works. The scientific method usually contains 5 steps which scientists use to help develop new understandings. Let's look at these 5 steps. So, in the 5 steps of the scientific method, the first step is the scientist must recognize that there is a problem or phenomena that needs to be explained. If you don't even recognize the problem, well, then you're never going to be able to explain it. Second step, the scientist needs to come up with a hypothesis, which is a fancy way of saying it's an educated guess as to how a problem can be solved or how a phenomena can be explained. Third step, the scientist must predict what consequences the hypothesis might have. Fourth step, the scientist needs to run an experiment and or make calculations to determine whether or not their predictions and predictions that they made were correct or not. The last step, the scientist should draw a conclusion relating the hypothesis, the predictions, and the experimental results. This is usually found in like a report which they can publish to their colleagues so that they can try and run the same experiment to confirm or deny their findings. With this, I hope you have a better understanding of the scientific method.